Hi guys, I'm Abhin Shetty and this is Diffusing at the Movies. This week we will be reviewing 50 Shades of Grey. The film was banned in India because our government didn't feel that the film was sanskari enough to be shown in screens here. But we decided to do a review of it anyway because you know how much we love banned things. 50 Shades of Grey stars Dakota Johnson as Anastasia Steele, a young and upcoming reporter who falls in love with the sadomasochistic enthusiast Christian Grey. What happens next will blow your mind.
It must be really boring.
Literally. Shades of Grey is what happens when a studio movie such as Twilight makes a shitload of money and people don't know what to do with it. Not many people would know that 50 Shades of Grey is in fact an erotic rip-off of Twilight. It's got Twilight characters littered all over the entire film. And it doesn't really make matters better for you because in fact it takes a shitty film and makes it an even shittier film. 50 Shades of Grey has no plot, the characters are extremely uninteresting and one-dimensional. The two leads have absolutely no chemistry. Poor Jamie Dornan is almost laughing through his scenes where he's had to, look at Dakota Johnson in the face and say, I don't make love, I hard. Now honestly, have you heard of anyone who's ever turned on by that kind of guy? There's even a scene in the film where Dakota Johnson is sitting on a bed eating a slice of bread. For no absolute reason, Jamie Dornan takes his shirt off, jumps onto the bed in a swan-like position and takes a bite of the slice of bread. And then he goes away. And the scene ends. There is nothing in the film. For all you drinking game enthusiasts out there, every time Dakota Johnson bites her lips, you take a shot. Trust me, by the end of this film, you'll be drunk out of your skulls. 50 Shades of Grey is basically socially acceptable porn that your girlfriend will drag you to the theatre to watch. You might as well just do it at home. Considering this is India where the movie is banned, the government banned the film primarily because of its explicit content. But honestly, it should have been banned just because of the sheer stupidity that I had to endure while I was watching it on screen. Or on my laptop, because it's banned here. The only thing that I found positive in the film was that it was shot well. Everything else in the film is terrible and it's ridiculously hard to watch. I found myself laughing uncontrollably through so much of the film. Like there's even a Jacob character who is the lowest common denominator that you could possibly find. He's doing his best to try and sleep with this woman, but just because Christian Grey is more good looking and has more money, she's like off. So I give the film 50 Shades of Moo. What does that mean? I have no clue. Just like the book I read, like the movie I saw, and like my life. What is my life? I'm watching 50 Shades of Grey and reviewing it on camera.
What is the meaning of life?
Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe and tell us what you thought of the film. In fact, tell us what is the sexiest film that you've seen. Something that you really like.